I'm in the middle of Barnsley town centre today for the whole world of Love Music, Hate Racism. I'm here with Matt from Burn Down the Disco, and you're involved with this love music, hating racism sort of thing, aren't you?
I certainly am.
What have you got to say about today's
Today,
fun?
well, town looks like it's absolutely buzzing, so it promises to be, as you can hear, a very special day.
Cheers.
Hello! Good morning! Too early to make this. We are your memory remains!
Hi, I'm here with Andy Toff, who's the lead singer of Your Memory Remains. Your Memory Remains, there, don't forget that. Yeah, you're involved at the Grizzly Bear behind us. Have a great gig, Andy, and we're going to catch a bit of it right now. Do you love music?
I love music.
Do you hate racism?
I do indeed.
Do you love music?
Yes.
Do you hate racism?
Yes.
Then we've done his job.
Yes.
The basic concept of today is it's all about celebrating multiculturalism and celebrating our diversity while fighting back against racism. It is a music carnival, but it is about bringing people in order to celebrate our multiculturalism and fight back against the Nazi BMP.
Do you love music?
I do.
Do you hate racism?
Yes.
Do you love music?
Yes.
Do you hate racism?
Yes.
Good.
Racism, and we're going to kick ass this afternoon. We're going to kick some Nazi ass.
Do you love music?
I hate racism.
Do you love music?
No.
Do you hate racism?
Hate it.
And united against fascism.
Do you love music?
Yeah, I do, yes.
Do you hate racism?
Damn right. There's only one race, and that's the human race. I don't care what colour your skin is.
So I'm here with Leon, who's just played. How do you feel it went?
It went alright, I think.
Yeah.
We've got a great sound there, a great little PA.
I wish I knew just how you make me real. I'm just a lonely boy too scared to speak.
Leon, do you love music?
Sometimes.
Do you hate racism?
All the time.
I'd rather be in your arms. Whenever you're around your sound, there's music for me, and I feel that I can fall forever under your spell.
It's great that this has been held at Barnsley as well, because you know Barnsley's got a bit of a bad press recently, and I don't think it's more racist than any other town in England. You know what I mean? But I think this is just—it's brilliant. You know, Barnsley needs more of these things.
Hello there.
Glenn's called me with a little mic.
A little mic though, I'm not Glenn today, I'm roving reporter. Mr. Moon, do you love music?
I love music.
Do you hate racism?
I detest racism.
And do you think this event will help that
I
fact?
think this will go towards opening people's eyes to the joys of music and the ridiculousness of racism.
Thank you. Dave Laycock from Rhythm Inc. supporting Love Music, Hate Racism. How are you doing?
Alright, thanks.
And what venue are you in here, Dave?
I am in Chambers, which is right in Peel Square in the town centre.
What troubles smell like lemon drops away above the chimney tops, that's the way you find me. And
hatred of racism.
Good. And how are you going to do that?
Well, we're going to play some music and not be racist.
Cool. Do you love music?
Yes, I do.
Do you hate racism?
I really do.
Do you hate racism? Job done.
For ages, probably the biggest event I've ever had. Enjoying it.
Bri from Seventh Son, do you love music?
Love it.
Do you hate racism? Do you love music? Do you hate racism? Well, that's been me in the town, loving music, hating racism with loads of bands. So until next time, come on. And that's it, we're covering all sorts of music.
And adding on to